project dining table. I decided that I will make this top all by myself. I will just buy some woods and glue those together. I could buy these already glued boards, but those are pretty expensive and not thick enough. I would like to have this board a little bit thicker, like 45, 50 millimeters, and those glued boards are usually about 20-25. I could also buy thicker ones, but those are crazy expensive. I would like to use hardwood, but unfortunately, I think it would be too expensive. I don't want to spend this kind of money for this tabletop. So I'm just going to use some basic wood. This tabletop is going to be about 1 meter wide, 150 long. I have to do those measures a little bit later. But at the moment, I don't have enough long clamps that I can glue those. I have only 4 of these ones and 4 of these ones. I ordered yesterday more of these from Amazon, and these I can luckily buy from Bauhaus. I could also buy these from Bauhaus, but I think I would have to order these and the price would be about the double. It's raining again. In the morning it was -2. A few days ago it was already over +20 degrees, very warm. But now it's raining again, and that's always nice when you want to do something outside. Okay, to Bauhaus. Of course I would like to use something like this, but it's these are only 1.2 meters long. That's too short, and those are crazy expensive. Yes, I knew that it's not going to be cheap to build this table, but hardwood would be nice, but it's so crazy expensive. These are the pipes what I need. I think I need four of these. I'm now in Obi, which is luckily next to the Bauhaus. I don't know. I could just use something like this. These are pretty cheap, but is it going to be thick enough if I will glue those like so? Something like that would be pretty good. I really like the thickness of this wood. These corners are round, so I have to anyway take this through my thickness planer, that I can glue those together without any cap. This is 7 centimeters, so I need about 15 of these. 200 francs. It's not bad. It's not bad. I really like this wood. Or maybe something like this. Oh, that's thick. That would be very, very strong top. These are also 15 francs per piece, and this is 94, and a little bit I have to take away. Maybe I need 10 or 11, 12 of those. And these legs are the same wood, so that would be also a nice option. And actually those already glued boards. Oh, these are my pipes making some sounds. Oh, these glued boards, those are also not cheap. Especially if you want to buy a little bit thicker one. I will start with this frame and legs, those woods I have. And then I will decide this top. It's going to be so heavy that I can't even carry it upstairs. 2 floors, stairs. Yeah, I can do that, that's not a problem. Yep. But let's take some measurements. Okay, now the question is how big this top should be. Our room is quite small, so I can't make it crazy big. Here is our raclette grill, and you can see that this table is just too small. You can barely fit 4 plates here, plus everything else, glasses, drinks, meat, cheese, vegetables, spices. This is just too small. This one is actually from IKEA. It was taller, and we also had a taller chairs, but it was just painful to sit. So I got those legs shorter, and at the moment this height, it's actually quite perfect for us. So this new table, I will try to keep it the same height. This one is now, this is 70 centimeters wide. One small thing what I don't like about this table, I can't push all these chairs all the way under this table. That's a small thing, but I just don't like it. So in this new table I would like to have this feature. So this is 70, and I will make the new table, I will make it 100. So 100, and how long? Like I said, our room is pretty small. This one is 127. I will make it 150. And how high? This one is 76 and a half. I will keep it about the same. I will maximum 78. I already have wood for this frame, these legs and this frame part, so I will start with this frame. I have so many ideas which are all the time coming into my mind, which I would like to have in this table. The shape of this table, it's kind of pretty basic, but these edges I want to have straight. But these sides I want to have a little bit curved, that there's kind of more space in the middle. I think it would look pretty nice. I also would like to have here something that it's hidden when we don't need it, and when we need it I can pull it out, and some places maybe for spices or this kind of light stuff. Here to the other side there's of course coming these pop-up power plug things. I will sync those to this table, that it's flat when we don't use them. And I also would like to have there something like an extra layer which I can take off and maybe turn it somehow and put it here, that it's hidden when we don't need it. Yes, I will start with the frame, and then I finally have to decide which kind of wood I would like to have to this top. I would like to keep it about the same look than these legs, so there's not a different. So maybe I will use same kind of wood. That was a doorbell actually.